In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix controller acting like a mouse. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you notice that when you move the joysticks or you press the D-pad on your controller, it actually moves your cursor around and it's been annoying you, there is a reason why this happens, and a lot of people fail to realize why. So first, I'm going to show you this reason that I'm talking about, and afterwards I'm going to show you another fix that you can try to do if the first method doesn't work. So the reason why this happens is actually because of Steam. I know a lot of people use Steam and just leave it running on the background. Steam has a feature called Steam Input that automatically sets up any controllers that you connect to your PC. If Steam Input is enabled and you have a desktop layout, which is what I'm going to show you, you might have this problem. So if you are running Steam on the background, open it up, click on Steam at the top left and then go over to the settings. This will open up the Steam settings window as you can see here, and you have to switch over to the controller category at the bottom. So if you scroll down, you will find desktop layout. What you have to do is make sure that Steam Input is disabled. So if you go over to edit and you see something similar to this, where you have a layout selected for your controller, what this is going to do is basically make it so your controller can be used on the desktop. So if Steam is running on the background, all of these commands will be issued, and as you can see, all of them are keyboard keys. In fact, as you can see, by using the joysticks, I can do up arrow key, down arrow key, etc. So basically, all that you have to do is make sure that Steam Input is disabled. So make sure that the window looks like this. Close this down and you can do the same for the guide button chord layout, but this usually doesn't matter. As long as you disable Steam Input for the desktop layout under the non-game controller layouts category, you should be good to go. Alternatively, close out of Steam completely. The last thing that I would recommend if this doesn't work for whatever reason is to right-click the Windows icon, select Device Manager, and in here, uninstall your controller. So find it here, right-click, uninstall device, and then unplug and plug it again. This is going to force the drivers to be re-downloaded, and it can help fix issues like these. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix controller acting like a mouse. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.